You fellow educators, I'm here to show you how to use this drag and drop math game. Um, First you're going to want to go down to the left and press play. After you press play, you want to look through your options here and pick the operation that you will be working with students on. I'll pick subtraction as an example. Next you want to pick how many problems you'd like to solve, so I'm going to pick 5 there. And then how do you want your problems to look? Do you want a 4-digit number minus a 4-digit number or something different? So in this case, we're just going to go ahead and leave that the way it is. 4 digits minus 4 digits, numbers in the thousands, and we're going to go ahead and press next. So here we have our problem that was generated, the first of 5. And we can use these number buttons here to pull out. They're sort of like little stamps, so we can just pull them out as we need. And we have the strike down here because the cool thing about drag and drop math is you can do regrouping. So you can do all your solving here, and then when you've finished, you can put your result in this green box here, this dark green box, and then you're going to press OK to check whether you got it correct or not. Okay? So everything else is pretty much explanatory down here. There's music. You can leave that off or put it on. You can reset the entire problem, or you can undo a step. You can change the type of background there for the problem, or you can just leave it blank. And let's go ahead and check this out and see if we can solve this. So here we absolutely are going to need to do some regrouping right away. So I'll pull one of these out. We'll cross out that 9 there because we're going to borrow one of those 10s there. Put it right here. Okay, and now we can go ahead and do that. That's a 10 minus 1. That's going to be 9. Alright, and then, this would have left us here with 8. So 8 minus 6 is going to give us 2. Alright, and then we're going to this hundreds place here, and we have 2 minus 6. You're going to have regroup there for sure. So let's go ahead and get another one of these strikes and strike the 9 out. Let's make that an 8. And let's go ahead and give that 1,000 back here. So we have a nice number to work with. 12 minus 6. We got it. And then finally, the last difference there is a 2. So now we have our difference to our problem. We can type it in the dark green box, 2,629, and then we can check it. And if you got it right, you get a checkpoint. If not, you can press try again and give it another shot. So to wrap things up, that's how drop and drag math works. Hopefully you enjoy working on this with your students, and I find it to be a very helpful visual for the abstract math, and especially if you don't have a whiteboard handy to go over those regrouping concepts. So keep it up, teachers, and I'll catch you later.